Hello guys, this is Wàlî üllàh, and today's video I'm gonna tell you about noun cases, that what are noun cases and where can we use noun cases. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Noun cases tell us about the position and role of a noun in a sentence. नाउन केसेस हमें एक सेंटेंस में नाउन के पोजीशन यानी किस जगह पर वाक़या है और इसके जो किरदार है और रोल है वो बताते हैं. नाउ देयर आर 5 नाउन केसेस. Number 1 is the nominative case, or we can also call it subjective case. When a noun is used as a subject in a sentence, then we call that sentence as subjective case or nominative case. For example, Ali is writing. In this sentence, Ali is the noun which acts as a subject in the sentence, so this is the subjective case or nominative case. Number 2, accusative case or objective case. When a noun is used as an object in a sentence, then we call that case as objective case or accusative case. For example, a letter is written by Ali. In this case, Ali is the noun which is used as an object in this sentence, so that's why we call this case as objective case. Number 3, dative case. Dative case is a case in which a noun acts as an indirect object of a verb in a sentence. For example, I brought my friend a book. In this sentence, if we look at the noun, a book, it acts as an indirect object. Indirect objects are those for whom or to whom the work is done. Number 4, possessive case. When a noun shows ownership, possession, or authority. For example, if I say Waleed's mobile, in this case, I mean that mobile of Waleed. So this shows the ownership of Waleed on his mobile, and we use in these sentences apostrophe to show the ownership or belongingness of something to a noun. And also we use an S with that. Okay. Number 5, vocative case. When a noun is used as an address in a sentence, then we call that case as vocative case. For example, if I say, Waleed, how are you? In this sentence, I address the noun Waleed. Also, we can say that Ali, your brother is waiting for you.